guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be unboxing my March Boxycharm. I know I am completely late, but this little guy just got lost. Okay. I haven't unboxed a Boxycharm in so long on my channel. Kind of feels weird, but I want to get back into it. I enjoy filming these videos. I enjoy being surprised. I have not opened this. I am so bad when it comes to parcels or like packages coming to my door. Like I literally just rip into them right away, and I want that like me being surprised with you being surprised kind of thing. So I did not even cut the tape, and I'm trying so hard now not to open them, and I'm just gonna open them with you guys. So again, if you haven't watched my other video, excuse the background. I'm changing some things up a bit. I haven't got scissors, so I'm just using my tweezers. Oh, that was smooth. And we're gonna open this up together. Oh, before I get into this, if you haven't heard of Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service of beauty, and it is $21 a month. That is in US funds, so for us Canadians it's a little bit more expensive, but I still think it's worth it. You get 5 full-size items all the time. They also have a new Boxy Luxe, which is an extra $28 on top of your 21, and that is every 3 months. So you'll get like Boxycharm, and then a Boxy Luxe, and then Boxycharm, blah. You know the jazz. Anyways, if you wanted to sign up for this, I will leave a link in the description box below, and let's get into it. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Every month you do get a little card. Mine's a little bent. Aww. La Vie en Rose. That's so cute. I love the card. And then on the back it does tell you all of the products inside the box, as well as their full-size retail value. So I'm just not even gonna look at it, and we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna get this. So this is Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Ooh. I have heard of Wander Beauty, and we have received a few items in our Boxycharms of Wander Beauty. Containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts, the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask, rose gold, whoa, that's cool. Dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, brighter complexion. And this retails for $34. I need to see if this is rose gold, because if it is, that is so cool. Dude! Oh my god. I wouldn't necessarily say like 100% rose gold, but like that is shining like the Tin Man, okay? Do you see that? I'm just looking in the viewfinder because it is so reflective. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for a minute. Okay, so 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can remove it. So we're gonna let this sit, and I'm gonna see how well it peels off. That is cool for the first item. Okay, next up, I'm just gonna go for this box. Oh, this is the Moda brushes. Okay, so I have seen these before. I think I have some. I don't have these ones. The box is a little bit damaged, but that's okay because it's just gonna go out of the box anyways. So it is a pack of 2. Let me get them out of their packaging. First off, I'm loving this rose gold theme. Look at these brushes. Oh my god, that's so cool. Only thing I have to say, I feel a little bit cheapy. There's no weight or anything to them. No offense. I love Royal and Langnickel brushes. So, love these. This is part of their Moda collection. So, we have the powder brush, which is the bigger one here, and then the soft glow. So powder, it says pat translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish. I would definitely use this for packing underneath my under eyes with my loose powder. And then this is the soft glow. I don't know if I would use this for highlight. I always feel like when they're like this, it like just disperse the product like all over my face and not in that little section that I like. I would use this to sweep away product underneath. Or yeah, I'm probably going to sweep away product with this. I probably wouldn't apply that with highlight. And those two brushes retail for $29.99. So already with the first product, that Wonder Beauty mask, already surpassed the amount that I paid for this box. So that was item number 2. Let's go for this, item number 3. Oh, this is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Monaco. I think I just received, I'm just trying to check up here. I think I just received this. First off, can anyone tell me why Ofra keeps changing all of their packaging? Oh no, okay, I received Miami Fever. Thought I received the same one. I was gonna be like, no, I just got this one. But I didn't. This is metallic. Like, I get the whole theme of this box. It's like rose gold and metallic and stuff. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm probably gonna throw this in a giveaway. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating one long-lasting effect. No need to use a lip liner. These liquid lipsticks gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. So $20. Again, I am not going to swatch this because this is going to go straight in my giveaway pile that I have for you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It is coming very, very soon. I just want to make a video on all the products that are going to go into it. So I'm going to save that for the giveaway. So that was item number 3. Okay, next up. What is this? So this is Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow in gold. I have never heard of this brand before, so... Okay, here we go. Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. This highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. The liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving you that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. So this is $21. I will most likely not use this. I am not very creative when it comes to my makeup. I literally do 1 or 2 colors. So again, this is gonna go in my giveaway. It's okay because I have a lot of makeup, so that doesn't really bother me. That's why I really like Boxycharm, because you get to know brands that you necessarily wouldn't have known about. So that's really cool. $20, I don't know if I would pay for that, but that's okay. It's just my opinion. And then last but not least, we do have a palette in here. Wait, what? Guys, we have a full-size Cover FX palette. Are you kidding me? So this is the Perfector Face Palette in light medium. So it looks like you have 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a brightener, and a finishing powder in this. Oh my god, that is so cool. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So it looks like a highlighter, a blush, a contour, the finishing powder, and a brightener. I'm gonna do some swatches. I really want to try out these 2 highlighters. That's 1. Did not mean to give you the finger. And that's 2. Let's move this. Oh my god, those are pretty. That one would definitely be way too dark for my skin tone, but that one I might be able to use. It's more of like the lighter one instead of that one. I'm gonna check the contour and then the blush. They're both kind of a little chalky. Oh my god, that went right on my sweater. That blush is like peach coral blush. That's very bright. I definitely will probably use the contour. That is kind of the contour shade that I use very often. This finishing powder and the brightener both have sparkles, so I most likely will not use those 2. But like, guys, this is a full-size Cover FX palette. How much does this retail for? $45. So this is 2 times the amount that I pay for the box. That is nuts. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to quickly add up everything in my box and give you a total box value. So my total box value for the month of March was $149.99. Again, I paid $21 US, so it's about $27, $28. I'm going to say Canadian. $29 give or take, including shipping, and I just got $150 in products. Like, I don't understand how they do this. This is amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. I try and post 2 times a week. Most of the times it's just Saturdays, sometimes it's Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I post beauty, lifestyle, Disney, kind of really whatever I'm feeling. So if you like that, please stick around and subscribe, and again, I will see you in another video. Bye!